The bear snores on. Caleb, Mort, Jen, Chip. The bear snores on. Caleb, Mort, Jane, Chip. In a cave in the woods, in his dark lair through the long, cold winter woods, sleeps a great brown bear, cuddled in a hip with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howled at the night shall grow, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, hurried tiptoe, crawls, sleeps in a cave full of stuffed snow. Mouse barks 2 thumps, too dark. So he clicks with small hot sparks. The crops pop, and the window doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Glowing eyes spark peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And he hops in. Ho, mouse, say here. Long time no see. So they popped green corn, and they brewed black tea. A badger sneaks by, stuff in the air. A smell yummy, heart we share. A grow honey nuts, siblings, let's bake them up, corn down and then in. And they nibbled lunch with a true chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunneled up through a floor, then row fluttered through the door. Mole matters with the night. What's snoring? Yeah. And everybody cheered, and the great bear snored. They tweet and they twittered and they toot, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, and Slim Bear, they partied in his very own lair. Hare snorts a few, Mouse snores sweet. Then they flicks Mouse and Bear. He blows a sneeze and claps a whoop. Achoo! And the bear wakes up. Bear growls and he snores. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and stumps. Bear growls and he growls. You sneaked in my lair. You had fun. But you had fun while sleeping and I had none. And he whimps and moans with a groan. And the bear snores off and the bear bubbles on. Mouse says is not free, but we brew more black tea. So I guess you can have some more. Bear grumbles, bear growls. With his sight, they taste toast. Then the night when they spoke peeks up and they growl. Bear sleeps, but his friend snores on. The end. Now that's the story of the bear snores on. The end.